I fucking hate you, you rotten piece of shit. This is not real. This is a fake video recording. William, I'll bite you now! You're a jerk. You want to see my shit too? Come on, I'm holding it in. Go.
I totally just heard an air fart.
You taking a video? Oh my god. Is she taking a video?
Come on, I gotta go.
William, put on her mic.
It's leaking out of my ass.
Shut up.
Come on. Oh my god, I'm holding it in. Get out of here. Nadine,
Me next.
Nadine, William, come on.
White space, here we come.
Go, Jack.
Ready, listen.
Watch out. That would be hilarious.
Oh my god.
Should I?
I really hope that's audible on the
Should I?
Does it smell good? I can't ever take a shit and pee.
Go, Jack.